Hi, it's Isaiah from the Inner Health Foundation. So happy to see you. Today I want to tell you a quick synopsis of what I believe is at the root of all disease for us, and what I think we need to be paying attention to in order to not allow ourselves to fall into a place of disease and dysfunction. Really, we have control over this. They've been proving it through epigenetics, and through biology, and through microbiology, and through neurochemistry. All these different fields are showing us how much control we actually have over the health and disease process. And I want to share with you the simple fact that the root of all disease for us stems from an inability of the body to process toxins. So we have all these toxins coming in from our water and our food and our internal indoor environment, our external environment, all these different pathogenic biological substances as well as chemical substances that are coming into our body and contacting our body, as well as EMFs, which are a little bit different story, but nonetheless affecting our biological systems. Now, all these different things are coming into us or coming at us in a way that's decreasing our body's ability to process all those toxins. So let's look at it as a simple equation of toxins over here coming in, and our body's ability to process those toxins are relative to how open the detoxification pathways are in our body. Often they're limited or closed based on the accumulation we've had in the past, based on the lifestyle and the nutrition and the diet and the awareness that we have now. And so that creates a deficit. It's like spending $1,000 a week on groceries, but you only make $500. You know, it's going to be an issue. You can only borrow for so long. So in the natural system, in the body, it's the same thing. We're borrowing off of our kidneys, we're borrowing off of our liver, we're borrowing off the organs so that we can function and maintain our lifestyle. And yet, over time, it continues to diminish to a point at which we manifest some sort of disease when the immune system falls out of place and no longer can help the body to upkeep the proper response. So I really think it's important to understand that disease on all levels is coming from the body's inability to process the toxins that are there. And so, first of all, yes, we need to be aware of all these different aspects of our home and our environment and our cars and the air and the water we drink and the food. All these pieces are so important, right? Because that's the equation, part of the equation that's coming into us. But we also need to be aware of the fact that it's not only what's coming in, but it's what's here. It's our body is only able to process so much based on our past and the efficiency of our internal organs, the efficiency of our nervous system, right? The efficiency of our brain. So in that equation, we need to also find simple, clear, effective ways to detoxify the body. And there's so many different references out there and so many different paths to take, and a lot of different journeys that you can go on. And I'm not going to give any specifics today. I'm just going to say that you need to be researching, ideally, ways to cleanse and detoxify your body so that you can create space and free up, memory in your body so that you can so that your body can process what's coming into it on a daily basis. If you don't do that, over time you will manifest disease. That's the way it goes. And that's the story of our modern lives. So we're chasing symptoms. We're barely touching the surface when we're addressing symptoms only. We need to be looking at the root and continually learning, and really educating ourselves about it, because we can't rely on a doctor or someone else that spends 10 minutes a month with us to determine all these things. We have to really become educated ourselves in order to find the answers as to why things are manifesting in us, what the story is, what our body is responding, how it's responding, and then make choices relative to that. So we can find those practitioners that can help us hone in on and diagnose and treat different things and weed out that root. But it requires our own self-knowledge and care in order to get to the point to be able to reach out and partner with someone that can actually help us. So please think about that equation of toxins coming in and toxins being processed and leaving your body, and think about how you can detoxify effectively to create space, and how you can reduce those toxins coming in through your diet your environment, your lifestyle, and your water, and your EMF exposure, all these different things. Okay? Many blessings to you. I appreciate all of you so much, and I wish you the best in life.